This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Miranda Blah. The Meghalaya government has prepared for the return of its citizens who are stranded in other states in the northeastern region from today onwards. However, Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that those who returned home must be prepared to stay back till norms are relaxed in the future. Talking to reporters in Shillong yesterday, he said that it's not going to be a to and fro movement. Mr. Sangma urged those people who are planning to come back to remember that it will be for medium or long-term basis, as there will not be any provision for them to go back. In the first phase, only those held up in northeastern region would be allowed to return, while those stranded in other states of the country can come in during the second phase. The East Khasi Hills District Administration yesterday held a meeting with various locality headmen in Shillong to ensure that everybody works in sync in connection with the return of citizens from outside. The Manipur government has issued guidelines for people of the state who are stranded in different parts of the country and want to return home. An office memorandum said stranded people who are willing to travel by private or hired vehicles are required to submit their details to the Home Department. They should start movement only after they receive pass from the Manipur government, and compulsory medical screening should be done prior to the start of the journey. Those who wish to avail public transport arranged by various state governments on payment are required to register on www.tengbang.in for obtaining e-pass. Around 340 tons of medical cargo has been delivered to the northeast by Lifeline Udan flights during the lockdown period so far. Sources in the Airport Authority of India in Guwahati said that 12 airports in the northeast have provided relief materials to around 10,000 people during the lockdown. Assam has 9 active COVID-19 positive cases so far. Expressing concern over cases of African Swine Fever in Assam that has killed around 2,500 pigs, Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal yesterday asked the veterinary and forest departments to draw a broad roadmap to deal with the situation. He also urged the departments to work in close synergy with the National Pig Research Centre to tide over the crisis. The government will announce a bailout package after taking stock of the situation to save the farmers from penury, he said. The Mizoram government has promulgated an ordinance that seeks to punish people violating prohibitory orders during the lockdown. The Ordinance for Containment and Prevention of COVID-19 said that any person who exposes the identity of COVID-19 patients in print, electronic or social media without prior permission from competent authority will be punished with imprisonment or with a fine or both. The order said fine will be imposed on people who cross border or enter the state or organize social or religious events without permission or escape from quarantine facilities. A number of shops, apart from those selling essential commodities, opened with offices in Arunachal Pradesh yesterday as the country entered the third phase of the lockdown with more relaxations. Officials said people adhered to all safety precautions, including social distancing and wearing of masks while visiting the shops. Some government and private offices also started functioning with around 50% staff. Arunachal Pradesh has been categorized as a green zone by the centre. Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio yesterday launched a dedicated Nagaland COVID-19 helpline offering teleconsultation and telecounseling services for people of the state. The Nagaland helpline will provide medical assistance to potential COVID-19 cases as well as other health concerns. The toll-free helpline number is 1800-345019. Nagaland Chief Secretary Temjen Toy yesterday said the whole state was in the green zone. As per revised guidelines, taxis and auto rickshaws are allowed to ply with a condition that they carry not more than 2 and 1 passengers respectively. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin, which came to you from the Shillong station of All India Radio. Have a nice day.